Hello my people, how una dey? Hope so una dey fine. This video abeg make una watch am my people. I'll put am for una make una watch. This lady na street na she dey stay. She no get house. Hey, things dey happen o. This our brother wey video am, he say all the time na him dey see this woman for there. The woman put bed for street o. He just put bed for there. Come dey ask am question, say wetin dey happen? Where your husband? Where your children? It's like e be like say social dem collect the children from her. Hey, na wow. The woman say e get document, say na from Edo State na im dey. I go put the video make una watch, make una lis ten. Maybe if people now dem no know wetin dey go on, una understand. You know say some people if dem dey pass through something like this, if e be like say e get brothers or sister for this abroad, but e no go tell am say we see wetin I dey pass through. This our brother, he say anytime wey e take pass there, na dey see this woman, the woman dey talk alone, you know, he just dey he put all the things for them. Make una just watch, make una lis ten to wetin she talk. Una bye bye for now.
Ladies and gentlemen, our brothers and sisters wey dey Italy, this is our sister. Her name is Elizabeth. She's a young lady. She have 2 children, but right now, Italian government they take her children away. So that is the way it find herself in this condition. Okay, she says she's a married woman, but now, right now, her husband threw her away. Now she's living in the street. Look at the way she's sleeping outside, and this is not the way it's supposed to be. Patient, how are you?
My name is Elizabeth.
Elizabeth, sorry, Elizabeth, how are you?
I'm fine.
Why are you staying here?
Huh?
Why are you staying here? Can't you go inside the house and stay? Huh?
I am okay.
No, you are not okay. You are not okay. You need help.
I choose to stay here.
Wait. Now I want to give you money now. What do you want to buy?
What's like?
What do you want to buy? Just tell me.
I don't know anything.
I want to give you money. What do you? Because this place you are staying now, you see today rain fall. Look at you now.
No, I'm okay.
No.
Say I'm okay.
See, you need help. If you want to go back to Africa, it's more better for you. You are my sister. I love you, but you are not okay now, and this is not the way it's supposed to be. Please, let's call Nigeria Association to help you. Okay? Just say what is in your mind. Say what is in your mind. You be Benin woman. Talk what you want. People will help you. Before you look beautiful, but look at you now. You're not even the bath.
Putting me on this, whatever. I don't like.
No, don't worry.
No, I don't like it.
Wait. I came to video you, and I will video
No, it's
myself.
not good for me.
Relax. I'm your sister. I will not post it. I need your
I
help.
did church, oh. No man.
You
I
need-
did church. I did church.
Elizabeth, you say your name is Elizabeth.
Yeah.
Talk to your Nigeria people. What do you want? And before you get children, Abi,
Yes.
how many children?
I can't give a kind of fear because what happened on that day, but I don't know what happened. I but I know the first one. The second one, I don't know exactly. I don't know what.
You have been married before?
Not I've been married. I'm a married woman.
Just share your story. Please share your story to me.
Jesus.
I'm sorry to do this thing today, but I promise you your life will change. Your life will change.
I don't know how this reporter.
Wait. How old are you?
I was born in 1984.
Do you have a document, an Italian document, passport, any?
I'm not an illegal immigrant. I don't be illegal immigrant.
You not be legal immigrant. I see. You don't marry. You don't born. You say that you born for Igbo. You have document. You have brother and sister.
There are people who don't get family for this word.
Mention their name.
My brother, R.C. Sarebe Evans.
Your brother is Harrison and Sarima Evans. In where?
Huh?
In which city? Where? In Benin City.
Yeah.
Benin City, which street?
I'm going to street in order now.
If Nigeria Association now raise money for you, would you like to go back to Nigeria to relax?
And remember in Nigeria, what I asked Nigeria to do, no one even raised yourself to do it for me. So what are they looking for from me? What did they want from me again?
But what happened to you? How did you find yourself in this solution?
This is what I want. Nobody cares to listen to me.
So what do you want? What do you want, Elizabeth?
I need my children back.
You need your children back?
Yeah.
Oh, ladies and gentlemen, our brothers and sisters were there in Italy. This is our sister. Her name is Elizabeth. She's a young lady. She have 2 children, but right now, Italian government, they take her children away. So that is the way it find herself in this condition. Okay, she says she's a married woman, but now, right now, her husband threw her away. Now she's living in the street. Look at the way she's sleeping outside, and this is not the way it's supposed to be. Our brothers, our sisters here are suffering. Please, Nigeria authority, any blogger, I'm calling you all. I'm calling you all. This girl is living here in Toscana region now. Beside Pistoia City. She lives in Ramini now. 54. 154 number. Please. Nigeria Association. She have documents. She have passport. Let's help her. If she want to go back to Africa to relax, like some years after, she will come back again. Please, let's not leave our sister like this. She's a young lady. She's a young lady. She's a young lady. Look at her. Look at her. She's a young lady. She's a young lady. This condition she has it's not nice. Sister.
Oh.
I'm sorry to do this. I'm sorry to do this.
I don't like someone to put me in this kind of thing.
I know, but before you are not like this. Can you talk what happened to you?
Yeah, be calling me all sorts of names. That she's mad, she's doing that, she's that. That's what I don't want. Yeah, that's what I don't want.
You get house before? You get house before?
I rented a house before. Even the man I'm married to has house.
With your children?
No, I don't know. Just what I want. The way the lawyer and the court issue to settle the case to give me back my children.
Oh, that's what you want. You want the lawyer
and give me my whole rights as a woman.
You see the way she's speaking? She's not mad. I think like she's depressed. I think my Nigeria people, what did they worry this woman? Now 2 children where they collect. Now I make and this condition. All those things they happen. This thing they happen to many our ladies, but nobody want to speak out. Please.